Hey everybody, happy Valentines. It's Quail Mama out here in the aviary with the little birds. We're just hanging out, thinking about springtime. Little birds think it's springtime. Spring and love are in the air. Lots of quail calls today. Oh, now we got dogs talking too. How fun. Oh boy. Ha 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 ha. Anyhow, we're out here having a great spring day with the little birds. They have already devoured their blackberries and blueberries. They've been munching on apple and celery and lettuce. Everybody's looking fat and happy, ready for spring. We're all pretty excited earlier. Somebody might be looking for bugs. Might have to get some bugs later. Anyway, we're just out here having fun, celebrating Valentines. Hope you all are having a good one. My little cutie pies are. Hee hee. Talking up a storm today. Okay, everybody, thanks so much for watching and spending a couple of minutes with us. We sure appreciate it. Please remember to leave us a question or comment. Like and subscribe if you like our content. Have a great Valentine's, everybody, and a great night. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.